I'm Robert Sabelli, Chief Business Development Officer at Altasciences. Coordinating CRO and CDMO efforts to align with drug development milestones can be complex. At Altasciences, we've created a unique model that eliminates silos, removes multiple handoffs, and improves communication between all contributors. Here to dive deeper into these dynamics are Ben Reed and Ingrid Holmes, Vice President of Global Clinical Operations. Can you discuss our North American presence in this evolving biotech and pharmaceutical landscape? And what are the advantages of having the CDMO and the clinic together here in North America?
Yeah, that's a great question. And when I think about all the different sites we have from coast to coast here in North America, I really get the feeling of we're right at home for our clients. To be able to operate, and lead times leading up to your project, they're shortened. Right? So we can get you in the clinic or in the CDMO faster, and really we're talking weeks. We have a procurement team that begins the sourcing the materials from once the quote is signed. But what does that mean when you get into the actual project then? And how does that look with project timelines and the challenges that could arise with that? And what I've seen with the proximity of clinics and pre-clinics to CDMO is we're able to really attack those challenges and those timelines to make sure that we keep that online for our clients.
I completely agree. I think selfishly for the clinics, so we have 3 inpatient clinics in North America. The majority of our work is, as you know, early phase. It's first in human work. The timelines are really compressed, and there are a lot of things that can derail those timelines, right? And one of them is manufacturing, and there's many reasons for that. But if we, number one, have the manufacturing in-house, we can adjust all of our timelines much more easily. And on top of it, having manufacturing in North America, it simplifies things. We don't have to worry about importation necessarily. We don't have to worry about other delays that can happen when the drug is actually being manufactured outside of the US or Canada. So for me, it's much simpler to know that it's close by, and that, of course, we have the direct connection with the CDMO to maneuver and shift things around when things come up.
Thank you both. I appreciate you taking the time and walking us through this unique model. We hope today's discussion showed that the sponsors can quickly respond and make the necessary adjustments to their study needs when collaborating closely with Altasciences. Thank you very much for joining us today.